stars! Are you ready for an adventure?
Hello, I'm Lexi, and today we'll learn the letter E. The time of magic.
Wow!
Look, it's the letter E. E makes the sound eh. E is for elephant. Elephant. E is for egg. Egg. E is for envelope. Envelope. E is for engine. Engine. Let's say the E words one more time. Elephant, egg, envelope, engine. Now let's repeat them together. One more time. Elephant, egg, envelope, engine. Elephant, egg, envelope, engine. Elephant, egg, envelope, engine. You did amazing. Great job. See you next time with a new letter.
For more fun with Brighty, did you like today's adventure? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up